Shaw High School. That's the gym. And shit back there. We used to play baseball back here in this field.
And that building back there was a gym?
That was an old gymnasium.
And this is the back of...
This is the back of the dormitories. And this is where you go into the kitchen right here by these steps by the van.
And this is all of Hope Haven?
This is all of Hope Haven.
And this is where you spent 3 years?
3 years, yeah.
How old were you?
Between 13, 16, 17. Used to play basketball right here on this basketball court.
Really?
There was a basketball goal set up right there. This was another field where we played football at.
What's that building over there?
That's another dormitory there. And over here was an old shop years and years ago. That statue used to be right here. I don't see that statue here no more. That was telling you about. And this is where, when you acted up, you had to come shovel goat shit out the barn down here on the first floor.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll be.
And these were newer dormitories. That Craig was in those dormitories over there.
It looks like houses?
Yeah, it looked like houses. Those were
so Craig stayed there and you stayed here?
Well, Craig initially was over here too. And all that was dormitories up there. This was where the deacon stayed here. The deacon stayed here. And some of the goody-goody kids.
He wasn't a goody-goody?
Like well, not too much. So I stayed in the main dorm. We played football out there. We played football out here.
And that's the main building there?
That's the main building. I had a room all the way on the front side over here, which I don't look like the road goes through there anymore. The road used to go all the way through in front of the building.
Yeah?
And make a semicircle all the way around.
Mm-hmm. Is that the picture of y'all three in the right window of somewhere? Is that the building y'all was in? With that picture with all three? Oh, that was your daddy's house. Huh?
Yeah. But my dorm room used to be on that second floor all the way down. If you look at the second floor right on top, all the ovals.
Yeah.
I used to have a dorm room right there.
Cool. And that fountain was always there?
Yeah, it wasn't always operable. It was like the kids' wishing well.
Oh.
The kids used to just throw stuff in it.
Hmm. Well, that's a nice little piece of the day.
And we got to trim all these bushes out front. Used to have to trim all that. Downstairs was the administration building and the offices and stuff like that. All the rest of this was dormitories. There was a little courtyard there in the middle, little atrium type deal, but it was uncovered. You could go up in there. They had little workshops, things of that nature. Right across over there was a swimming pool. It's all fenced in now. That was the swimming pool. We used to go swimming there. We had plenty of football games in between these two buildings right here.
What's across the way?
Across the way over there is Chinchuba. Right over here to the right.
Mm-hmm.
And then off to the left is Madonna Manor. Madonna Manor was where the younger kids went till they got to be around 13 years old. And that's the church where I made my confirmation at. The church is right here in the middle.
Mm-hmm. And Madonna Manor's to the left?
Yeah, Madonna Manor's to the left with all the slate roofing over there. That was run by nuns. All that was nuns over there. And my brothers was over there until they got to be 13. And then one at a time they came over. Craig made it first, and then Clay came over. Mm-hmm. So all the little kids was over there, all the older kids was here.
Oh, interesting. Did y'all get the room together?
It was in different dorms. And that's the church where we used to go to church all the time, across the street. And that's where I made my confirmation at.
Oh. Yeah. light went off. I think I might be running out of battery. I can't tell what I got because of the sun.
But that's basically it there. In a nutshell.
Okay,
And
nice.
that's Chinchula. School for the